Happy birthday, Eric. I hope you're enjoying this with family and friends. Um, a lot of great memories with you, man. Um, Going way back. You've visited me in almost all the places I've lived, and that's been quite a few places. But some really good memories. Going to Lou Malnati's in the 90s, to have pizza and beer and watch Jordan and the Bulls play. Riding motorcycles in the deserts of Las Cruces. Hiking Blodgett Canyon with Bo, um, the game drives in Samburu and Masai Mara in Kenya. Your visits here, and now that you're thinking of moving here, um, I have to move again because seriously, dude, I was just tolerating your visits. Really, no, just kidding. Um, it's going to be wonderful to have you here if you eventually move here, my man. Um, we'll have more great memories to share. Have a great day, man. Peace.